Okay, so you can see when Metal Man's gonna activate. Okay.
She's coming to you.
Yeah, she is. Where's the dog? I'm scared. Where the fuck is she? Oh, she left. Actually, thought she was like standing there. We need. Okay, I was literally gonna think. I was thinking of doing that today because I was like, I want to get a jump scare alert in there. I don't really know what to do. Is it blurb that people use? We should run. We should reset. No, where are you? Are you good?
Dog's running. And
Where'd you go?
she's picked up. I'm over at the back
Back at me?
corner here. Oh, there you are. I'm right behind you.
Oh, hi, let me heal you. Well, she's got two gens left, so she's gonna put the pressure on, I guess. Is she coming?
She's going for you.
I haven't had a hook yet. Woo! Oh, oh, oh. Big swing and a miss. Oh, she'll get me here though. If I say fake it.
Try not to go under the hook if you can.
No, she gets me here. Damn it! I really wanted to chem trap it. Is she lagging or am I? Neither? It just seems kind of... Wait, cloister in chat, everybody. Oh, nice dead hard. Nice dead hard, bestie. Wait, Pasta's gonna die.
Oh no, I don't think I'll make it.
Oh no.
I was literally second off at most.
Spoke too soon. She can't resist the hair. I'm sorry you died. Rank resets tomorrow, so the sweats will be out in droves tonight. Is that what it is? I'll check what I use. Please let me know. I want to set them up. Because I do want to do a jump scare because I reckon it would get me. I reckon it would get me really easy. You guys know what I'm like. I'm very jumpy.
Oh, she's just left me on the hook. She's going to you guys.
Only I had Medal of Man activated. No. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We're just gonna walk this way. You keep fat fingering. I do that sometimes. It's really annoying. Is she picking you up? Should I come in? Oh, she picks you up. Okay. Alright, no hatch offering. Let's see what we can do.
Right.
Hopefully she doesn't have barbecue. That would suck. Let's try shack. Oh, she's coming.
She might have nurses.
Come on. Damn. No. We're just gonna crawl over. My mind was like, right. Oh, no, don't even stress. I literally do that all the time. I fumble so hard. Especially in Overwatch. Oh. Especially in Overwatch. I fumble my ult button. Oh, wait.
You wanted to see Middle of Man activated. That's a shame, it's so close to.
I know, I didn't really do it enough. Do you reckon she can see me? Do I just...
And the dog will probably get ya.
Alright, we're just gonna... Oh, she's full coming back?
Go.
Oh, I'm scared.
Out of time. You don't go for it.
Do you want to Mori me? Wait, actually, Mori me. Come. Come. I want the Mori. Step on me. Yes, step on me. Okay, crit, no problem. Thanks for games. Oh my god, yes, spicy Christmas Jane Mori.
There's no more honor in thee than a crushed maggot.
Oh yes. Oh my god, I got the best screenshot. GG's.
She had Surge.
I should coup.
There.
I see, she would have. Oh, she had rapid brutality. Yeah, right. I see, I see. That was a fun game still.
Yeah, it was fun.
I
We
did
might have just
enjoy.
been falling over each other for like a good third of the game, but that's okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's like, oops, I tripped. Oh, they
balanced
tripped too.
on.
Oh, everybody's tripping.
Oops. Missed it. Oh my god, blanched. Oh my god, balanced. There we go. My cat tried to get the dog at the dog door, so I had to move him so she could come in. Oh, they don't get along. Just a baby. It's just a baby. Why does Steve look so cute in his jeans? His dad jeans. They do. He's just an asshole. Oh, just a baby. I might go and get some water real quick. I'll be back in a jiffy. Oh, thanks for reminding me. Wait, let me do that real quick. Last mine. What was I gonna do? Wire tap? There we go. Okay, baby.
Why chat?
Okay, I'm back. Oh, got those sneezes. I don't think today's my day in DBD. Why? Why? She's blind. Aww. Oh, little baby. Alright. So, yeah, blast mine wire tap. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully. Oh, there goes Joel. I should message him.